Yo, we're starting off with earned by time again. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we got our first order. This is a Starbucks going 5 miles. Yeah.
Perfect, got you all set.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Total ended up being $7, and we got the next order right away. This is for Chick-fil-A, 6.5 miles. Morning. Thank you. $1 tip, by the way. Total ended up being $7. Got the next order right away. This is a Seize the Bagel going 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Another $1 tip, by the way. Okay, we might be switching off earned by time any minute now. Total for that one ended up being $7 again. All right, we've got a Voodoo Donut going 7.5 miles. Hello.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, yeah, that was not worth it. Total ended up being $13, but we are so far away from home. Okay, I got this next order. I don't know why I took it. I kind of panicked. I'm just committed to it in my mind. This is Starbucks going 5.5 miles, going even further away from home for some reason. I don't know. Don't ask me.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I am in the middle of nowhere, so if I don't make it out of this one, thank you for watching all my videos. Oh wow, total for that one ended up being $17. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $8 going 5 miles, 3 items.
Well, if you have your wallet,
I got this order right away. We're going to a place called Victoria's Cafe. This one's going to be 5.5 miles. Thank you.
And then yours is literally right.
I mean, not to hate on kids for no reason, but that coloring was subpar to say the least. Big tip on that one. That ended up being $13. Nice. And I just got the next order. This is for Burger King going 5 miles.
Ready.
Thank you.
We have some straws over here.
Gotcha. At the bottom of the driveway, you will see a for rent sign. Turn up that driveway and you'll see the apartments. Call if you get lost. Okay. Zero tip on that one, by the way. Yeah, we are done with earn my time. That order was just under $7. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $14 going 5 miles, 3 items. It's labeled as heavy, which is the first time I've seen this. What could be heavy from a pet store? I even ask? Of course it's kitty litter. 2 40-pound things of it. If this is going upstairs, I'm actually gonna pee myself. Oh, this is one cruel joke from the universe. Just got the next order. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14, going 4 miles, 2 items.
Just drive down to the place where they sell them there and there.
Do they sell them there though?
Sure they do.
Lots of animals there. I think I saw 2 cats run out, 1 dog yelling at me. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Target. This one's gonna be $12, going 6 miles, 2 items.
It's up to you. I was worried about it breaking. So do you want to put it back in your cart or do you want to put it in a bag? You can put it by itself.
In a bag by itself. Yeah, let's do like individual, like one. Like
So you're gonna pay for 4 bags. Do you not understand?
So much for an easy order. I guess I should have gone through self-checkout, but like, I didn't expect that to take so long. Well, I took the wrong turn and made this trip at least 5 minutes longer than it should have been, so I'm in a good mood. And this is a hand to customer, so we're definitely done after this. I'll tell you that much. Where are the numbers on this house? Please tell me. Yep, we're done. Let's get out of here. I am so over today. Current time is 11:04. Total looks like we are at 1:11. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.